Take a look at our new device. It's the latest gadget I've been working on. Wow. This right here. This is a portable console. I think setting it up was relatively simple. After considering many options, I finally decided on this one. I think it's really great. Once it's connected, you can hook it up to CarPlay or Android Auto. It doesn't always look like this though. You can choose CarPlay, Android AirPlay, or even screen mirroring. I mostly use it for CarPlay. Since I'm most familiar with that, I rarely use the other options. The main thing with CarPlay is, first, the screen needs to be clear. Look at this. I used the previous version, and the screen was an IPS one. But see, there's no glare here. Why? Because it has a light sensor here. So, when the light is strong, it adjusts the brightness accordingly, which reduces glare. This is a really important feature for me. Another thing. There's a 4K camera in here. Check out the clarity. It's really impressive. And look at this mount on the back. There are actually two mounts. One is for attaching it directly here, and the other goes here. But if you use a horizontal mount, there's not enough space so you'll need to use this mount to attach it to the wall. That's pretty important. Also, I think it's crucial to see how the wiring runs. The wiring here runs to the cigarette lighter. The lighter has a USB port, so you can charge the device. Otherwise, it won't charge if the port is occupied. That's why we added a USB port here. It wasn't in the initial design, but we added it later. Now there's a convenient charging option, so I think this device is great. That's an important feature.